24 hours in Lahore? You won't believe the city. Spending 24 hours in Lahore, Pakistan's cultural capital, is a whirlwind of history. Food, architecture, and vibrant street life. Here's a perfectly paced itinerary to make the most of one day in Lahore. 6:30 a.m. Sunrise at Badshahi Mosque. Start your day at Badshahi Mosque, one of the largest mosques in the world. Arrive early to witness the tranquility of this historical site as it awakens with the sunrise. The mosque is almost empty during this time, offering a peaceful atmosphere for reflection and prayer. It's also the perfect spot to capture stunning photos of the rising sun over the red sandstone. Don't forget to bring your camera and a tripod for capturing the perfect shot. 8 a.m. Traditional Lahori breakfast. Head to a traditional restaurant in the walled city of Lahore to experience a true Lahori breakfast. Some popular options include Haveli Restaurant and Food Street, or Siri Paye in the heart of the walled city. These spots are known for serving up authentic Pakistani cuisine. Try the famous halwa puri, a traditional Sindhi dish made with fried bread, lentils and vegetables, or Nihari, a flavorful slow-cooked mutton stew. And don't forget to try the refreshing yogurt drink, Lassi. 9:30 a.m. Explore the walled city after breakfast. It's time to explore the historic walled city of Lahore, also known as Andran Shahar. Wander through Delhi Gate, one of the main entrances to the old city. Then visit Wazir Khan Mosque, a masterpiece of Mughal architecture with intricate designs and stunning tile work. Take a guided walking tour if available to learn about the city's rich history and culture. Next, stop by Shahi Hammam, a traditional Turkish bathhouse. Although it's not open for business anymore, its beautiful architecture is worth a visit. As you wander through the narrow streets of the Bazaar, be sure to take in the sights, sounds, and smells of this ancient city. From the colorful spices and textiles to the bustling crowds and lively street vendors, it's an experience that will stay with you long after you leave. 12 p.m. Lahore Fort and Sheesh Mahal, just a short walk from Wazir Khan Mosque. You'll find the impressive Lahore Fort, also known as Shalimar. This UNESCO World Heritage Site was once the seat of the Mughal Empire's power and is now a museum showcasing centuries of history. Be sure to visit the stunning Sheesh Mahal or Mir Palace, which is adorned with intricate mirrorwork, in the Alamdri Gate, one of the main entrances to the fort. An entry ticket is required and you'll need to bring a valid form of ID. 2 p.m. Lunch plus relax in Shalimar Gardens or Cuckoo's Den for a relaxed lunch spot with amazing views of the city. Head to Cuckoo's Den. This restaurant near the fort serves up delicious Lahori food in a beautiful setting. Or if you prefer a picnic-style lunch, take a tuk-tuk to Shalimar Gardens. These stunning gardens are a UNESCO World Heritage Site and a perfect place to unwind and enjoy some fresh air. 4 p.m. Museum or gallery stop in the afternoon. Visit the Lahore Museum, which houses a rich collection of Gandhara art and other artifacts from the region's ancient past. Or if you're looking for a more modern touch, stop by Taisir Art Gallery or Alhambra Art Center, which showcases contemporary art from Pakistani and international artists. 5:30 p.m. Liberty Market or Anarkali Bazaar as the sun begins to set. Head to Liberty Market or Anarkali Bazaar for some souvenir shopping. These bustling marketplaces are the perfect place to pick up shawls, jewelry, handicrafts, and local fashion. Be sure to try some street snacks like golgappe or bun kebab as you explore. 7:30 p.m. Sunset at Minaret Pakistan, Greater Iqbal Park in the evening. Take a quick trip to the Minaret Pakistan or Greater Iqbal Park to catch the sunset. This national monument is a symbol of Pakistan's independence and offers stunning views of the city. If you're looking for a more peaceful experience, head to Racecourse Park for a leisurely evening stroll instead. 8:30 p.m. Dinner on Alam Road or Food Street for an upscale dining experience. Head to Alam Road, a trendy neighborhood filled with chic restaurants and cafes. Some popular spots include Alento, Spice Bazaar, and Yum Chinese. For a more iconic vibe, check out Food Street, especially as it comes alive at night with twinkling lights, lively music, and rooftop dining options. It's the perfect place to savor traditional Pakistani cuisine while soaking up the vibrant atmosphere. 10:30 p.m. Desert stop. After dinner, grab a sweet treat like andrase, faluda, or kulfi from Bashir, Darul Mahi, or Chaman ice cream. These traditional desserts are the perfect way to end your day in Lahore. 12 o'clock a.m. Wind down at a local tea spot. End your night with a cup of chai at one of Lahore's many tea spots. Some popular options include chai, chai, kana, or a roadside dhaba. As you sip on your warm drink, reflect on the madness and magic of Lahore and plan your next move. Lahore is a city that truly has something for everyone. Whether you're interested in history, food, culture, or simply soaking up the vibrant atmosphere, we hope our itinerary has inspired you to visit this incredible place. So what are you waiting for? Pack your bags and get ready for an unforgettable adventure in Lahore. If you're planning your next adventure, don't forget to protect yourself with travel insurance. We use Safety Wing. It's affordable, flexible, and made for travelers like us. Check out the link in description. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.